What's up, everybody? In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to iron silk pajamas. Let's get started. Before getting started, let's look at some of the things you'll need. You'll need an ironing board, an iron, a spray bottle filled with water, and a thin cotton press cloth such as a bandana or a pillowcase. For this tutorial, I'm going to use this royal blue long sleeve men's 100% silk pajama set from 1000 Kingdoms. As you can see, it's got some wrinkles on the back as well as the front of the shirt, and you could also see the pajama pants have some wrinkles down the legs and around the pocket. Now we're ready, so let's get started. The first thing you need to do is turn your pajamas inside out. Once you've done that, lay your pajamas flat and evenly on the ironing board. Next, grab your spray bottle and add some moisture to your silk pajamas. They should be damp but not soaking wet. Next, lay your cotton press cloth over the area that you wish to iron. Step 5. Turn your iron on and adjust it to the lowest heat setting possible. Also, make sure the water tank is full so you can properly use the steam function. Continue by hand pressing the iron onto the wrinkled areas. Make sure you don't slide the iron back and forth as you would for a pair of denim jeans or a t-shirt, but just hand press the iron down gently in one spot, pick it up, and then reapply elsewhere. When you're ready to move on to a new area, reapply the moisture, put the cotton press cloth back on top, and continue to hand press the wrinkles. If you have pants, follow the same steps. Turn them inside out, flatten them evenly on the ironing board, add moisture, cover with the press cloth, and once again, hand press the wrinkles until your garment is wrinkle free. Once you've completed all of that, take your silk pajamas to a place out of direct sunlight to lay flat or hang to air dry. Now we're all finished, the pajamas are dry, and here's the result. As you can see, it looks great. No wrinkles or creases down the back. The front of the shirt, around the sleeves, looks amazing. And here's the pants, completely wrinkle free, looking fresh, pressed, and ready to wear. These pajamas are looking so good that I think I'll wear them now. These pajamas look great and they feel even better. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great videos just like this. If you like silk pajamas and silk shirts, make sure you head over to 1000kingdoms.com to see our wide variety of premium silk clothing for men. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.